Današnjo slovesnost je svojim obiskom počastil predsednik vojaškega odbora Zveze NATO, admiral Gianpaolo Di Paola, ki ga sedaj vabim k nagovoru.
Madam Minister, honorable member of the Slovenian Parliament, my dear friend Alois, General Gader, it's really an honor and privilege for me to be here tonight.
Gospa ministrica, člani parlamentarnega odbora za obrambo, dragi prijatelj Alois in Alan Gader, vedno rad sem v vaši družbi.
It is a privilege because this is the final moment of a very significant exercise for the Slovenian Armed Forces, which have seen a lot of participation, many people, and I see you around me, and also a big participation by the Slovenian authority and Slovenian people. That is good sign that you are beloved from your country and the alliance really looking at you.
Veliko čast in privilegij mi je, da lahko prisostvujem zaključnemu dogodku vaše najpomembnejše letošnje vaje, ki poteka v okviru Slovenske vojske, torej vaje, ki je ob vseh udeležencih, naporih in sodelovanju oblasti znak vaše predanosti vašim nalogam in tudi hkrati ponosna, ki ga izkazujete naši organizaciji.
I know that there has been a very challenging exercise for you, but you have proven your professionalism, your value, and you have been certified both from the Alliance and from your national authority. This is the best testimony of your professionalism, your capacity as a soldier, as a member of the Alliance.
Zavedam se dejstva, da je za vami zelo naporna vaja, hkrati pa ste dokazali svojo visoko profesionalnost, saj ste pridobili certifikate tako zavezništva kot tudi vaše države. In na ta način ste dokazali in dokazujete, da ste vojaki vrednega svoje države in tudi zavezništva.
Slovenia has joined NATO 5 years ago, and from that time on you have brought to the alliance your capability, your professionalism, your value, not only in Kosovo, but also in Afghanistan and in other missions. That is a very valuable contribution for a nation as Slovenia.
Slovenija je postala članica NATO pred 5 leti in vse od takrat prispeva svoje zmogljivosti, dokazuje svojo veliko profesionalnost in vrednost. Sodelovali ste s svojimi vojaki na Kosovu, v Afganistanu in tudi drugje.
I want to congratulate the people of the 18 NRBC battalion and the people of the Role 2 medical unit for having achieved the top mark, being qualified and certified. These are very relevant, critical capability. We call it in NATO enabler. We need those enablers.
Dovolite mi, da izrazim čestitke pripadnikom bataljona za jedrsko, radiološko, kemično in biološko obrambo in pripadnikom mobilne bolnišnice Role 2 za izjemen dosežek, za dosego najvišjega priznanja, torej certifikacije, ki pomeni pravzaprav, da Slovenska vojska prispeva tiste osnovne sile, ki jih potrebuje zavezništvo.
I have seen your equipment. They are first class, top class, and I think I know something. And but even more important, the equipment, which I say again are first class, is the people. The people is really top of the mark.
Imel sem priložnost si ogledati vašo opremo. Vaša opremljenost je izvrstna, prvovrstna, toda veliko bolj pomembneje od opreme so ljudje in ljudje ste tisti, ki ste najboljši.
These are, I say again, unique capability. Not many allies have such a capability, not many. These are really niche capability that we need, and we're looking forward to count on you, both as in NRF in the future, but also in operation. I say very clearly here, in Afghanistan is a critical moment. The alliance needs the support of all members, not only Slovenia, all members, and I'm sure that all members will do their part.
Gre za enkratne zmogljivosti, ki predstavljajo veliko v zavezništvu, zato se že sedaj veselimo vašega sodelovanja, ne samo v okviru NATO-vih odzivnih sil, ampak tudi v vseh ostalih operacijah, kjer deluje zavezništvo, pri čemer bi rad poudaril predvsem Afganistan. Vaše zmogljivosti so nišne zmogljivosti, ki bodo bistveno pripomogle še k nadaljnjim uspehom zavezništva.
So I think I will close here before it becomes night. Actually, now the sunset is already past. Once again, congratulations to all of you. Congratulations to the Slovenian Armed Forces. Congratulations to what Slovenia is doing for the Alliance. Alliance really count on Slovenia for the present and future challenge. Thank you very much.
Naj tukaj zaključim, preden se popolnoma zvečeri. Dovolite, da vam še enkrat izrazim iskrene čestitke vsem pripadnikom Slovenske vojske in Sloveniji za vse napore, ki jih vlaga v zavezništvo. Hvala.